Hi, I'm Michael Clay, Technical Sales Representative with Lincoln Electric. Today, we're going to be showing you how to program and edit a linear weld using the Cooper app. So the first thing we're going to do to program a linear weld is follow the instructions on the touchscreen of the pendant and have the Cobot go to our home position. Once the Cobot's in our home position, we'll start here. Now all we need to do is follow the instructions to create a weld. We'll push the blue button first to unlock the Cobot. When the blue light becomes solid, we can move the Cobot to the start of the welding position. When we're in position, we push the green button to signify the start of the weld, and then we move the Cobot to the end of the weld. At the end of the weld position, we hold the green button in, the light turns blue again, and following the instructions on the screen, we'll move the Cobot out away from the weld and push the blue button to end. If we're happy with that weld, we can push done on the pendant and the program will be complete. So after our program's completed, using the pendant, we can dry run our program by pushing the play button. We've ensured that welding is blocked so we have no welding happening, and the Cobot will follow through the program we just created. The same thing can also be dry run using the controls at the front of the Cobot cart. For more information on the Cooper app, please visit our website at lincolnelectric.com. Thanks for watching.